check this out. A 2007 Toyota Tacoma with a 4.0 liter engine. First thing you want to do is remove your battery, or more like disconnect your battery cable, the negative. And there's two bolts that go here. These they go in from here. Here's one, and here's the other one, way up here. They're 14mm bolts, so not too bad. And also there's this 13mm nut here, and the harness that you gotta unplug. Besides that, oh yeah, and also there's this bracket here that goes from the exhaust. This bracket from the exhaust up here. You gotta remove that so the well, the tools that I use, like I guess some space. This ground, you might want to remove this ground right here so you could be able to push the starter in and out. But yeah, besides that, we just gotta put the new one in. It's right here. I'm good to go. So the starter's in. This is what I meant for the harness, the ground, everything that you need to remove. So you could take the starter out. Don't forget a little cover here for your starter ground here. There we go. And that's it. You should be done by now. That was the final step. But yeah, here it is. Yeah, thank you guys for watching this.